how are you all? I hope you all are fine. In the last two videos, I explained two tricks. One is BDI approach and the second is ideas for speaking any person-based cue card. Now, in this video, I'll tell you how you can club that tricks in your cue card. If you have not checked that videos, please check it before watching this video. Link is given in the description. Okay, let's start person-based cue card. How you can club both tricks like BDI approach as well as the ideas I explained in the last video how you can tackle any person-based cue card. Now, for example, if you get the topic like this, describe someone in your family who you really admire. As I told you, you need to find out the type of the cue card. So, it is your person-based cue card. Now, you have to follow the ideas of person-based cue card. As BDI approach, you have to start all cue cards with the background. So, what should be the background for this cue card? As this topic is based on your family. So, you can make a background line like this. Family plays an important role in everyone's life, as our family members always stand with us in our thick and thin situation. Thick and thin situation means like आपके बुरे और अच्छे टाइम में, like good और bad situation में आपके साथ रहते हैं. So, family plays an important role in everyone's life as our family members always stand with us in our thick and thin situation. I have 5 members in my family, but today I'm going to talk about the person of my family who I really like, and he is my husband. As you have to use the vocab also. Vocab doesn't mean you have to use like hi-fi words. Vocab means you have to use the another word which is given in the question. As in the question, it has written admire. Admire means like. Admire means love. So, I use the other word for admire is like. So, the background approach I explained. Now, in the development, how you can just include all questions as well as the ideas in your cue card. Okay, as I told you that you have to start the ideas with the name of the person. So, as I explained, like I like the person in my family and he is my husband. My husband's name is Amit Kumar. As I am speaking the truth. So easily, if you speak anything truth, easily you can speak, okay. So you can explain about your father, about your mother, about your sister, like your anyone, like your old person in the family member, anybody you can explain. And even I'll tell you different ideas for different family members too, okay. So my husband's name is Amit Kumar and he is in 30s. His nature is same like my father who is no more. So, my husband always try to fill the empty space of my father in my heart by doing different things. As he is very amiable to me and I can share my feelings and problems with him without any fear. Moreover, he is very cooperative. He always helps me in my household chores. Besides this, he is in jovial mood most of the time and I do not feel bored whenever he accompanies me. In addition to, he is very diligent. So, I explained what relation this person is to me, like he is my husband. Okay, so first question, and even I explained the ideas, like as I explained, name of the person, like age, even qualities I explain. Okay, now I have covered this question plus that also. Now, what are your memories of this person? I have numerous memories with my husband and we live together. We share a strong bond and have mutual respect for each other. I still remember on our engagement day, I was very nervous and it was our first meeting and he made me feel comfortable by interacting with me. Moreover, even after marriage, he gave me many surprises. Like on the Valentine's Day, he decorated our room with flowers and balloons and organized candlelight dinner in an open area. So these are the reasons why I really love my husband. Okay, easily you can explain. So I included this question also, and even how often you see this person. As I explained, we live together. So easily you can explain. Okay, so I explained about my husband. Okay, if you are explaining other family members, what kind of qualities you can explain. Okay, and even just explain any memory, like with your father, with your mother, with your sister. Like if you are speaking truth, you have the memories with them, and easily you can explain. Okay, so qualities I'm just going to explain more if you think like you are not having ideas a lot. So different qualities of family members who you admire. If you're speaking about your father, you can say he is honest, brave, had a good heart, talented, my role model, has sacrificed a lot to upbring us. Like easily you can explain, like he has sacrificed a lot to upbring us. Always actually father do this. So everybody respects him. He is a diligent, like instead of saying hardworking, you can say diligent. He is diligent, he is very punctual. These kind of thing you can explain for your father with why also. Like why he is honest, why he is brave. Just explain some example also. Okay, now for mother. Caring, loving, possess a good heart, very close to me, one of my best friends, amiable, understands me better, knowledge about all walks of life. You can say that she has knowledge about all walks of life. How she has knowledge about all walks of life? She does perfectly household chores as well as her office work too. These kind of thing you can say. For brother, brave, caring, well-mannered, always support me, cooperative, we have pleasant memories together. My best buddy means my best friend, always protects me, like brother, all brothers like protect, okay, their sisters. So like a mentor to me, always teach good thing, okay, brothers always teach us good things to us. For sister, you can say caring, a good friend, loving, a good mentor, helps me in my study, has good practical knowledge, talented, role model for me. All family members love her a lot. So these kind of things you can say. I hope you understood better, and if you have any kind of queries regarding this, you can ask in a comment. Thank you.